Hello, welcome to the next part of my tree creation. Hopefully you checked out the haul so you know what I'm working with. I went ahead and made the tree topper by just freehanding it and sticking my picks in, starting with the bigger pieces in the background like the copper and the branches, and then working in the fun pieces like the orchids and the amaranth, and then the littlest parts, the branches, the balls, the little pearls, those go in last. Once the top is done, you really can tell what the rest of the tree is going to need, which is why I always recommend doing an assessment of what you have left after you do the topper. I made sure that I had enough of the copper leaves from fall clearance and enough orchid stems to match up, so I knew that those were the ones that I wanted to pair together. Right now you're looking at what it looks like finished. I layered the orchids with some glitter leaves, and then the big copper wide magnolia leaves, I think they are, that are wired. And then in between there, I layered in amaranth. That's the layering, the dangling look that you're seeing. So here it is up close. We have beautiful orchids with that nice fine texture of the glitter. And those were the ones from the haul that I was telling you guys I was going to cut up. And then the big copper leaves at the bottom, or golden copper, I suppose. So it creates a nice layered look. So they're all in. And now the tinier pieces, the sugar, I think they're sugar coated. I know they're not real sugar, but the balls, the littler branches and picks, those are going into fill-in spots. And so you can kind of see the balls at the top, because I like the littler elements at the top, and they kind of just help with like almost like a gradation into the main part of the tree where they disappear and you don't even need them anymore. So think about having the littler pieces at the top when possible, but you can see if you look to the right, there's still some sprigs of like the pearls finished coming out on the right hand side there. And that's okay. If I could, I would have gotten more sprays of floral or picks this year. I think I would have liked a little bit more. So maybe after Christmas this year, I'll try and go pick some stuff up on clearance. But this amaranth was just absolutely beautiful. I was able to bend the branch, and so it hangs and cascades down absolutely beautifully and catches the light. And layering the orchids with that little shimmer of gold that they have with the other two textures, I think makes everything just look so much, honestly, fancier. Like, let's be honest, it looks way fancier when it's layered like that. And you just kind of gently weave them together and they lay beautifully. And because everything's on wire, you can mold it, shape it to whatever you want. So I tried to keep to the natural orchid cascading down shape, and it worked out beautifully. It draws your eye throughout the whole tree. And the fact that there's amaranth at the top of the tree, it just creates such a fluid movement. I'm absolutely just thrilled with how it came out. I hope you guys can see the little picks and stuff, the little pearlescent picks that are in there. They're so fun. I love having a variety of the textures in the floral picks to choose from. And so I will definitely be keeping my eye out post clearance, and honestly probably the rest of the year, to see what else I can pick up to add to the tree. Because it's important to remember that you don't have to get it completely 100% at the first year you do it. This is something you can build on and collect on. So I'm hoping to build and collect on this tree for years to come, but this is off to a brilliant start. And I mean, this tree topper is definitely a showstopper. I debated putting a snowy white owl in just to brighten it up a little bit, but I'm still on the fence about it. So if you guys think I should, let me know. But for right now, I'm really enjoying these unique colors and just the richness that this tree has. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for part 3 coming up soon.